Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a QR code generator which can convert any text into a QR code. So let's start. First of all, I will import PyQR code. This PyQR code module will help us to create a QR code PNG file in our program. After that, from Tkinter will import everything. We are importing this Tkinter module to create a basic GUI for our QR code generator. After that, we'll import OS. We are importing this OS module to open the QR code PNGs in our program. So first thing we will do in this program is create a basic GUI for our QR code generator. GUI means graphical user interface. We'll create an instance of Tkinter. We'll create a label. Label will have the root and it has the text as enter QR code. Text. We'll place it in a grid at row 0 with padding at x equals to 20 pixel. And after the label, we'll create a new input field. And how we'll create an input field? There is a function known as entry on the root with the text variable. This text variable is the variable which will store the input of the input field. It will store the text of the input field. So ent var equals string var. So this ent var variable will hold the whatever text we are writing in the input field. Dot grid row equals 1 and padding at x equals 10 pixel and padding at y equals 10 pixel. After this input field, we'll create a button like create button root, and this button will have the text of create. Place it in a grid at position row 2 and padding of 20. And let's see how our basic GUI looks. So to show our GUI, we'll write main loop and then let's press this play button. So this is how our basic GUI of our QR code generator will look. And this is the label, enter QR code text. This is the input field, and this input field's text will store in this entry variable. And this is the create button. Right now create button is not doing anything. What we will do is that when we press the create button, a new window will open up in which our QR code picture will show up. So let's do that. So when we press this create button, we'll write a command equals create. We'll write a create function now, def create. So whenever we press this create button, this will call a function create. Here is the definition of that function. We'll create a variable s equals to entry variable dot get So what we are doing here is that we are creating a new variable s, and in that s means string variable, we are storing whatever the text we are writing in the text input field, we are storing it in s. So let's create that URL equals PyQR code dot create s. Here we are creating the URL, we are creating the QR code from the from this text whatever we have written in the input field. After that we'll now create a PNG for that. URL dot PNG, and here I will write the name of the PNG, my QR dot PNG, and write its scale as let 8. Okay, after that we will open this PNG, os dot system, write the name of the file, my QR dot PNG. So whenever we press this create button, it will create a QR code with that text. So let's see if our program is working or not. Let's play this. We'll write this FOIL overview, follow programmer bro. So let's create it. This is the text, this is the QR code of the text follow QR code. Let's see if it is working or not from our mobile. I don't know if you can see it. I'll attach a video here also. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press a thumbs up, and if you want to tune in for more videos like this, please press the subscribe button. So bye bye.